ExpressVPN features and performance app. The pros, the cons. ExpressVPN is one of the most popular services, but what makes it stand out and where might it fall short? Let's explore the pros and cons. The advantages are impressive. ExpressVPN offers high-speed servers in over 90 countries, strong as 256 encryption, and a strict no-logs policy. It supports multiple devices, including smartphones, computers, routers, and smart TIFIs, allowing seamless protection across all your connections. Features like the automatic kill switch, split tunneling, and trusted server technology enhance both security and convenience. For example, a remote worker can securely access company resources while streaming content or browsing safely without worrying about speed drops or leaks. Its intuitive interface makes setup easy even for beginners. On the downside, ExpressVPN is more expensive than many competitors, and advanced features may require some learning to use effectively. While speeds are generally excellent, connection performance can vary based on server location and local network conditions. Also, it doesn't offer built-in ad or malware blocking, so additional tools may be needed for full protection. Most people get this wrong. They assume all VPNs perform equally. The surprising truth is that server reliability, encryption standards, and global coverage matter more than price. You won't believe how much smoother your online experience can be with ExpressVPN, from secure remote work to streaming content without interruptions. In conclusion, ExpressVPN combines strong security, fast performance, and global access. The key is understanding its features and using them strategically to protect your privacy while maintaining speed. When implemented correctly, ExpressVPN offers peace of mind, reliable connections, and a secure online experience for both personal and professional use.